Yeah? What'd you do? Do you have jiggle? Mom, are those plastic?
No!
Yeah.
I can't do a flip, but I can do a jump.
You're more rubber than flubber.
What?
You're more plastic than the Kardashians.
The ice cream just goes to the thighs. It's not my fault.
Throw the flip-flop at her? Can you throw that? There's no way, right? I'm safe over here.
No.
Yeah, I'm safe. She can't hurt me from over here. Wait, Mom!
My thighs grew.
Disney
What?
report.
You hugged me so hard, my legs inflated.